Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Probuds by Lava. There's some information on this box. Let's quickly go through them. Over here it's written this particular set of earbuds comes with superior bass with 11.6 millimeters dynamic drivers. And on this side there's some more information. The buds are 55 mAh each. It has IPX5 water resistance. The driver size is 11.6 millimeters as mentioned earlier. The buds have a playtime of 5 hours and total playtime with the charging case is 25 hours. That's more or less it. Let's open this box and take a look at the contents inside. This is the charging case. Do we have anything more? There's a smaller box over here as well. So yeah, the charging cable and silicone buds. So this is what we get inside the box. This seems to be a quick start guide, so I'm going to keep this here. Welcome to a fun new world. This is the user manual. I'm going to keep this over here as well. This is a micro USB charging cable with USB-A connector on the other side. And these are your extra silicone tips. I'm not going to open this wrapper. This seems to have the small size and the large size silicone tips in them. Now let's take a look at this particular charging case which has the Probuds in them. So this is the charging case. This is a micro USB charging port right over here. And there are some LED indicators over here as well. And you can see the Probuds by Lava logo right over here. It's really small, has a matte black finish. The moment I opened the lid, the LED lights flashed, which means it has some charge right now. Let's take a look at the buds themselves. This is one of them. So yeah, this once again has a matte black finish to it. And this is basically half in-ear design, and it also has a angular nozzle. I'll show it to you a little. I'll try to show it to you a little better. You can see that it has angular nozzles as well, and this is what you call a half in-ear design. So yeah, this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Probuds by Lava. Thank you for watching.